Oh, hey everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the brand new Zivid 3 camera and take a look at everything that comes in the box. We'll also be mounting it above a robot and capture a first point cloud and see how that looks. We'll start with the exciting part first, the camera itself. This is the Zivid 3, designed for long-range 3D imaging. It's larger and heavier than our previous cameras because it's built to be mounted higher up. On the back, you'll find the ports for power and Ethernet, keeping it simple and robust. Also in the box, we have the new power supply, power cable, and an Ethernet cable to connect the camera to your system. And finally, a brand new stationary mount, designed specifically for the Zivid 3. This new mount is built for simplicity. You don't have to hold a 2-kilogram camera while you mount it. You just hand it, take a breath, and screw in screws with ease. This gives you a rock-solid and precise installation when positioning the camera above yourself. With this setup, you can capture entire pallets or large bins, making it perfect for depalletizing, bin picking, or handling oversized items. Here's the point cloud we just captured, opened in Zivid Studio. It's crisp, clean, and ready to use in your application. And remember, Zivid Studio is free and comes with every camera we ship, so you can start exploring your 3D and 2D data right away. So there you have it! Thanks for watching and get your first Zivid 3 today.